guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Sonia and you're watching Domestic Diva. Today I would like to invite you to a challenge that I'm co-hosting with Sandra from the Schwoman's Nest. If you are not subscribed to her, make sure you go check out her channel. She does great DIYs and ton of trash to treasure makeovers. And this is what this invite is. It is a Trash to Treasure Christmas edition. So I would like to invite everybody that wants to participate. It's an open collab, and we will use a hashtag trashtotreasurechristmas. So if you don't have a YouTube, and this hashtag should technically put you right into the playlist as well, so make sure you use it. And the rules are pretty simple. You pick up something secondhand, whether it's from a thrift store, Goodwill, Value Village, whatever secondhand store you guys have in your area, and you make it your own. There is no budget. It can be as small as you want or as big as you want. It's just trying to make it a Christmas theme or to fit your Christmas decor. So the upload date is November 27th. So you pretty much have to find this perfect piece that you're looking for and do something to it. Change it up a little bit so it fits your style, whether it's paint, whether it's adding greenery to it, whatever it is that you need to do it to fit your style. So I hope everybody can join us. I have done these several times already and they are fun to do, so I can't wait to see what everybody does. And until next time, have a wonderful day. Oh, and the upload is 7 a.m. November 27th. I will have all the information linked down below, and the playlist will go up at 7 a.m. as well. So thank you for watching.